Like the present simple tense, the present continuous begins with a subject, I, you, we, they, or he, she, or it. After the subject, we need a verb to help us make the present continuous tense. We call this a helping verb, or sometimes an auxiliary verb. The helping verb we use to make the present continuous is the verb to be. Now, depending on the subject of the sentence, the verb to be will need to change. Remember, the subject and the verb always need to agree. So, with the subject I, the verb becomes am. With you, we, or they, the verb becomes are. And with he, she, or it, the verb becomes is. Then we need the main verb. Let's take eat. And to put it in its continuous form, we just need to add ing at the end of the sentence. We can add an object too. The object is the thing that we're eating. In this case, let's say gooseberries. So we have the sentence, I am eating, or we are eating, or she is eating gooseberries. Delicious. There are a number of different situations when we could use the present continuous tense, but for this lesson we'll just focus on the two most common uses. The first of these is to describe things that are happening right now, or we could say in the moment of speaking. For example, right now or in this very moment of speaking, I am teaching English. You are listening to me, I hope. She is making notes. So the present continuous is used to describe what is happening right now. The second use of the present continuous is to describe things that are happening around now. For example, she is learning to drive. I am living with my aunt until I find somewhere else. They are looking for a new job. When we use the present continuous in this way, we're describing temporary events rather than permanent ones. Events that are happening around now, but that we don't expect to continue. To conclude, today we've learned that we construct the present continuous tense by using a subject, such as I, we, he or she, followed by a helping verb, in this case the present tense of the verb to be. We then use the verb with ing at the end, and we can add an object to finish the sentence. We've learned that the two most common uses of the present continuous are to talk about things that are happening either right now or around now. So there you have it. Over these 3 videos, we've looked at how to make and use the present simple and continuous tenses and how not to muddle them up.